What if I told you a $12,000 robot just made the police force, and it's already outperforming trained officers in key areas? Facial scans, crowd control, real-time data feeds, from facial recognition sweeps to crowd heat mapping. It's redefining what law enforcement even looks like. This isn't some prototype stuck in a lab. It's already patrolling city streets in China, backed by one of the most aggressive AI surveillance networks on the planet. And here's the twist. It's not just China. America, Europe, the Middle East. They're all in on the next generation of humanoid deployment, from patrol duty to enterprise strategy. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll witness the quiet takeover of everything we thought made us irreplaceable. While social media stays distracted by celebrity trials and meme coins, the real technological arms race is unfolding under our feet. In police precincts, job sites, storefronts, and military contracts. This isn't about cool gadgets or Silicon Valley hype anymore. This is systemic replacement at scale of human labor, cognition, and authority. And it's accelerating. Welcome to NextCore AI, your front row seat to the tech shaping tomorrow. We don't do hype, we do clarity. Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay ahead of what's really coming before it rewires your job, your city, and your future. 1. Patrol bots. The civil sidekick meet PM01, China's newest patrol bot. Standing just under 4 feet tall, this sleek humanoid blends into the crowd until you notice it scanning faces, analyzing heat signatures, and transmitting data in real time. It costs less annually than a single human officer's uniform budget. During a live demo in Guangzhou, it flipped forward, responded to voice commands, and flagged an unlicensed vendor in under 12 seconds. And this isn't isolated. Police in multiple provinces are piloting AI patrol units for crowd control, dispute de-escalation, and incident reporting. And because it's AI-powered, every minute on patrol makes it smarter, feeding back into a central cloud that updates behavior models daily. But here's what they're not saying. These bots can be upgraded remotely. New behavior models, expanded permissions, facial databases updated by the hour. Curiosity loop. If these bots can monitor thousands in a square, what happens when they start making arrests autonomously? 2. Androids that share AI with your car at Auto Shanghai. 2025, XPENG shocked the crowd, not with a car, but with a humanoid. Codename Iron, it shares the same neural architecture as their EVs. That means your car's AI can learn from your robot, and vice versa. Iron can grip objects with variable tension, pour liquids precisely, and even thread a needle, all while processing your voice commands in milliseconds. It doesn't just automate tasks, it adapts. The bigger story? XPENG is building a smart life ecosystem where your car, bot, and home assistant all learn from each other. With each gesture and command, Iron is teaching XPENG's entire ecosystem how to interact with humans more naturally. In the home, on the street, or in your workplace. We're heading toward a future where AI isn't segmented, it's shared. But while your car's pouring you tea, another bot is firing up your daily reports. 3. Deep Agent, Instant Enterprise AI. Imagine saying, generate a financial dashboard, alert sales, update pricing from competitors, export slides, send email. Then watching an AI do it all in 45 seconds. That's Abacus AI's Deep Agent, a corporate-grade task force designed to replace not one, but entire departments. It connects directly into your CRM, accounting software, even cloud storage. With zero downtime, it handles executive admin tasks, compliance tracking, and even customer escalations. One startup replaced 5 back-office employees with a single Deep Agent instance. If this seems distant, consider this. Within 5 years, most companies may automate 30 to 50% of knowledge tasks. Would your resume compete with an AI that doesn't sleep, complain, or negotiate salary? While execs save payroll, engineers are teaching bots to build homes without blueprints. 4. Construction giants and sales cyborgs. Zyrex is a 20-foot humanoid designed for infrastructure. It can weld beams, lay brick, and 3D print building facades using on-site composites. Its hands replicate human grip, with 50 psi force control per finger. And it doesn't get tired. In a pilot program in Nevada, it completed a duplex foundation 3 days faster than a 6-person team and passed inspection with 0 corrections. Meanwhile, in Malaysia, the Amoga retail bot speaks 10 languages, remembers prior customers, and never pushes a sale. It's been deployed in over 80 dealerships. Conversion rates went up, complaints went down. These bots aren't just replacing labor, they're outperforming it. The frontline jobs already changing, the customer-facing ones already gone. What's next? You. But what happens when bots start interpreting laws? 5. Meta, Huawei, and the cloud mind. Meta's AI companion now exists across glasses, desktops, and homes. It listens, watches, and learns, no matter where you are. Its latest release integrates gaze tracking with speech to action. You look at a folder and say, "Send it." Done. Meanwhile, Huawei has rolled out its first AI chip designed specifically for autonomous agents. Combined with 6G infrastructure, this means swarm-level learning is now possible. Your bot's experience becomes everyone's update. These AI systems are no longer bounded by geography or local data. They're learning globally in real time and evolving faster than any single user can track. A single action in Shanghai can now influence AI behavior in San Francisco, and vice versa. So what role does a human play in a hive of bots? 6. Legal minds and Robo-Law. South Korea has deployed an AI judicial assistant that can draft legal opinions, flag inconsistencies in testimony, and suggest sentencing recommendations. In blind tests, it matched 84% of human judicial rulings. In civil arbitration, it outperformed human panels in speed and clarity. Meanwhile, in the EU, AI systems now handle pretrial contract screening and fraud detection. You won't see them in court, but they're behind the decisions shaping your case. If machines understand justice, or at least replicate it, what happens to your lawyer? When legal interpretation becomes a product, not a profession, society must ask, can you appeal a verdict written by code? Final loop. And when the bots enforce, analyze, and judge, who governs them? What does it mean when a robot can patrol your city, build your home, and negotiate your contracts, and it's all before lunch? It means the line between tool and replacement is gone. And if you're not training yourself as fast as the bots are training each other, you're falling behind. If this gave you a new perspective, help others see it too. Hit that like, share with your circle, and drop your thoughts below. This is NextCore AI, decoding the signals of a future already in motion. Subscribe to NextCore AI, where deep tech meets deep thought. Our mission? Not just to inform, but to equip you with foresight in a world governed by machines. Because in the age of automation, seeing it first is everything.